Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
What you guys, how are we all doing? Oh, another glorious camp this is. I'll just show you outside. Wow, get your eyes, get your peekers on this one. Beautiful Isle of Mull. Hey monkey, exploring our new camp. She's beautiful, right on top of a glen, looking down into the valley there, a river running down below, the wee burn. We'll have a walk down there later. This is a beautiful camp, right on the inner tundra kind of thing, in the mountains. A little bit of a mountain camp. Wow, look at that. Got snow on the top there. Bit of a gravel camp here. Beautiful bench here to have your breakfast. Looking down into the wee glen there. Snow on the mountains there. And look at this view up here, folks. This is absolutely epic. Turning down the glen into the mountain tundra. Look at that. Wow, is that not a bit bloody special? Wow, what a camp. Look at the roads trundling through the glen. That glorious mountain top there. That is a bit special, folks. Look at that. Wow, a little bit of blue sky. It is cold. Most of the mountains are in the clouds. Beautiful eye, absolutely stunning. Wow, it's taking my breath away. Awesome. Wow, those winds are bitter, bitter winds. Look at that view. Oh, is that not spectacular? Oh, I'm full of joy. This place is stunning, absolutely stunning. What a glorious camp this is here. Got my own little picnic bench. Grand. Good morning my lovelies. Another bright sunny day today. It's always the same when you get these -degree temperatures. You get lovely clear skies. Got a lovely sunrise this morning over the snowy mountains out there. What a beautiful view out the window. It's now 10 degrees in the van. I've been up about an hour and a half. It's now just coming to, where are we, 8 o'clock, so been up quite early this morning. Oh, it was cold this morning, blimey. I think it was 0 degrees inside the van and about -4 outside. Just take you outside and have a look at this, getting the van nice and warm. Oh, it's a bit crisp out here. Oh, bear with me. And get outside. Oh, lovely. Oh, it's fresh out here. Oh, lovely sunset though. Oh, look at that. The sun has just popped over the mountain and is on Christine, warming her up even more. Oh, it is frosty. Frosty. Got a frost on the van was covered with frost this morning. Both my door locks were frozen. Got those lovely icy snowy mountains up there. Oh, it's beautiful. Not a cloud in the sky. Look at this, not a single cloud in the sky. There's some right down there over towards Craignure, down at the bottom of the glen. Oh, we're going to go for a walk down there, down the glen this morning. Look at the wee bottom down there. I'll go and dip my face down there in a minute. Lovely, have my morning swill in the water. Wow. Frosty. Ah, it's cold. Oh, we love it. Oh, let's get some breakfast done. Lovely, and have me my third cup of tea. Kettle's on, mother. Let's get back inside the van. Lovely. Oh, what a morning. Lovely. In Eagles today. What a lovely live show we had last night as well. Here, I don't know when you'll see this video, but the live show was fantastic. We had a brilliant sunset. The sunset and the skies were all aglow over the snowy mountains there. Last night it was a cracking live. Thanks guys, thanks for joining me. We had some lovely coffee and treats for Sky as well. You're amazing. Let's get back in, Christine. It's freezing. Sitting here with a nice cup of tea. Talking to you lovely guys. Oh, the sky is on fire. Wow. It's on fire. Is that Aurora? Wow, that is pretty special. The sun is actually setting over there, folks. Is that an Aurora glow? I don't know. It's not moving, so it might be just the way the sun's bouncing across the clouds, but it is all around us. Look at that. Wow. That is pretty special. Absolutely stunning. It's a bit of a special sunset tonight. Looking across at the mountains over there. How lovely is that, folks? That is pretty cool. Oops a daisy. Looking across to the mountains there, covered in snow. Beautiful. Looking down the glen there, the mountain road, going all the way down there to the bottom of the glen and round the back of the Munros there, the mountain. The glow is starting to dissipate now. What a lovely evening. The mountain's on fire. Glorious sight, looking down into the wee burren running down the glen there. We'll have a walk down there tomorrow. Going to do my usual paddle in the river, the wee burren. See what's down there, right, in that pine forest. See if we can find anything interesting tomorrow. There is some more snow forecast and colder weather coming in. Beautiful, eh? Absolutely glorious. Oh, it's a lovely, bright, cold, chilly day today on the mountain. And we've got pancakes for breakfast. Lovely sweet pancakes. Bit of cream and a bit of jam. Homemade jam. Lovely jubbly. Oh, looking nice. Crispy. Here's my breakfast. Nice sweet sugared pancakes. And just a dabble of fresh cream. Beautiful. Get in my belly. Lovely. Then we'll go for a walk out down the mountain trail. Cracking. Oh, look at that. It's gorgeous. What a window view, eh? What a window view to eat your pancakes. Those were bloody delicious. Absolutely divine. Sweet pancakes on a snowy mountain. Lovely. of the loch. We'll keep going. You know what we like on country. We like to explore. Oh, we're still going. I think it's about 6 miles to the end of this trail. All the way down the side of the loch. It's absolutely beautiful. What a lovely road. It's a bit tight and squeaky bottom, but oh, go on, Christine. Not many places to park. It's all pulling takeover bays which you can't park in. But how beautiful is this? Running down the side of the loch. We're nearly at the end of the loch now. You've got to watch because there's ice. There's the rivers coming off the mountain, causing ice on the road. You catch one of those wrong and you'll swing your van into the ditch. So you've got to drive very, very careful because around the corner could be a black ice patch that could take you off the road. Blimey O'Reilly. Catching a bit. Well, I think we're nearly at the end of the trail. Looks like the sea out there. What we got down here? What we got down here? Oh, blimey, blimey. Oh, there's a nice parking area there. Wow. Pull in here, shall we? I don't get stuck. Wow. There. Get out and have a look. So it's a cafe or something. We'll have a peep. Beautiful views, eh? Out to the sea. Right at the end of the point, I think. Lovely.